Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 3rd of May, right? Yeah, May 2022. Been gone for about a month or so because I'm a new dad again. We have a new daughter who is a total of 3 weeks old right now. And just kind of getting back in the swing of things, and it's crazy how you look at markets every day. You use the same software every day, and for whatever reason, you take a few weeks off, and it's like foreign. It's not like riding a bike. It's just you have like even running like the recording software and all that. It just seems like I'm I don't know. It feels like I haven't done it for a year. But anyways, wanted to start off looking at Dogecoin. Dogecoin's got a pretty clear example of a very standard looking head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern on its Ichimoku chart, or rather daily candlestick chart. So you have, the left shoulder here, the head, right shoulder over here. That's there. You have a clear lower high being developed here that looks like it's about to break out above on the composite index and trigger a nice little spike. Even if there's not a broad trend change, I would anticipate a return to that 14.5 to 14.5 cent range because of the huge gaps that exist between the bodies of these candles and the Tenkan Sen. So there should be a pretty good bounce there coming up. And then also an old trade idea that we did back here on Doge that's still active. There's a double top now at 15.5 that exists. Now, you could look at an entry around the break of the double top, and it's one of these things where that itself is not an appropriate entry because it's only a double top. What I would like to see here is some type of if it does move up to like 17 cents, it'll break the downtrend angle that has existed here since November. If that occurs, then that should set up some long opportunities. We'll have to keep an eye on it. But otherwise, from an Ichimoku perspective and from a point and figure perspective, the level to watch is definitely going to be around that 15 to 15.5 cent range. If the Chiku span can move above the cloud, and if price can close above the cloud around 15 cents, that will trigger an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout, and we should see a nice expansion move higher and see Doge finally get some momentum and move up. But otherwise, it's off of the highs that it saw back a month ago on the 5th, but it's certainly off of the lows that it had back in March. So this should be a very interesting, couple days here coming up that we should see. Make sure that updated the daily. You've got a triangle in there happening. So yeah, this should be interesting to see how this goes the rest of the week. If there's a little bit more risk on positive sentiment market wide, we should see this go up quite a bit. So anyways, you guys have a great rest of your trade day. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.